Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by a sudden, sharp cramp in your leg? Or maybe you've been out for a walk or working out and bam, a painful muscle spasm stops you in your tracks. Leg cramps are more common than you think, and while they may seem harmless, they can be incredibly uncomfortable. But here's the good news, there's one powerful fruit that can significantly reduce leg cramps naturally. Today on Healthy Horizons, we'll uncover this amazing fruit, explain why it works, and how you can easily add it to your daily routine for healthier, cramp-free legs. Let's get started. Before we talk about the miracle fruit, let's quickly understand why leg cramps happen. Most leg cramps are caused by dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, especially low potassium, magnesium, or calcium, overuse of muscles, poor blood circulation, certain medications or medical conditions. When your body runs low on essential minerals, especially potassium, your muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. That's where the superfruit comes in. That's right, we're talking about the humble banana. Bananas are often underestimated, but they're actually one of the best natural remedies for preventing leg cramps. Let's break down why bananas are rich in potassium. Just one banana contains around 400 to 450 milligrams of potassium, which is crucial for muscle function. Potassium helps your muscles contract properly and prevents involuntary spasms. Contain magnesium, another important mineral for nerve signaling and muscle relaxation. Source of vitamin B6, supports nerve health and helps your body absorb magnesium more effectively. Hydrating, bananas are nearly 75% water and can help maintain fluid balance. This powerful combination makes bananas a natural muscle relaxant. Many athletes swear by bananas as a pre-workout or post-workout snack, and for good reason. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a jog, or simply staying active throughout the day, bananas help fuel your muscles and keep cramps at bay. And the best part? They're convenient, affordable, and don't require any preparation. Just peel and eat. Timing matters too. Here's when to eat bananas for maximum effect: before exercise to load up on potassium and avoid cramps, mid-activity after workouts to replenish lost minerals and fluids, before bed especially if you often wake up with night cramps, midday snack keeps your electrolyte levels stable throughout the day. You can also blend bananas into smoothies, add them to oatmeal, or top them on whole grain toast. While bananas take the crown, here are a few other fruits that support muscle health. Watermelon, full of water and magnesium, helps keep muscles hydrated. Oranges, high in potassium and vitamin C, which supports circulation. Avocados, yes, technically a fruit, loaded with potassium and healthy fats. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink, great after sweating. But if you had to choose just one, bananas are the most accessible and effective option. You might have heard that bananas are too high in sugar, but the natural sugars in bananas are balanced by fiber and nutrients, making them a healthy carb source. Unless your doctor says otherwise, one banana a day is safe and very beneficial for most people. Here's a powerful bedtime trick: eat half a banana 30 minutes before bed. This not only helps with nighttime cramps, but the magnesium and tryptophan in bananas may also help you sleep better. You're literally calming your muscles and your mind. Let's recap why bananas are the best fruit for preventing leg cramps. High in potassium, rich in magnesium and B vitamins, help with hydration, support muscle function and relaxation. Easy to add to your daily routine, so the next time your leg muscles start acting up, reach for a banana. At Healthy Horizons, we believe in simple, natural ways to improve your health, one small habit at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly health tips. And in the comments below, tell us, have bananas helped you with leg cramps? We'd love to hear your story. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep moving forward.